Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to clean your home's humidifier. This video will explore everything you need to clean your home's humidifier, so stick around. Before you begin, remove and empty the water tank, then turn on your humidifier without the tank to air out and dry the filter. Once done, unplug and disassemble your humidifier, then follow these steps. To clean the tank and base, rinse the tank to remove sediment or dirt before using a long bottle cleaning brush to agitate and remove stubborn stains. Next, add a mixture of equal parts water and vinegar into the tank and leave for 20 minutes. This mixture removes mineral buildup. You can also use Cleanse Clean to descale your humidifier's tank. Meanwhile, use a soft brush and wet microfiber cloth to clean the base. Set the base aside to dry. After 20 minutes, empty the tank and rinse it. Refill the tank with clean water, recap, shake, and empty. Repeat this process until the tank is clean. Finally, add 1 gallon of water into the tank, then a tablespoon of bleach. Let it soak for 20 minutes before rinsing. This disinfects the tank. After cleaning and disinfecting your tank, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe it before setting it aside to air dry. As your tank and base dry, clean the tray and filter. Fill your sink with a gallon of clean water and add a tablespoon of dish soap. Place the tray and filter into this mixture, switch them around, then soak the tray for 20 minutes before using a soft brush to dislodge stubborn particles. Dunk and swish the filter 3 times to remove particles and debris. Once done, empty the sink and use running water to rinse the tray and filter. Do this to remove the soap residue. Also, gently press the filter's surface to remove excess water before drying. Wipe the dirt from your humidifier's exterior before refilling the tank and reassembling your unit. Once done, restore power and run your humidifier. So there you have it. Cleaning your home's humidifier is a breeze. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.